vertical planters are all the rage right now, especially with the smaller gardens, and we're using our patios and decks. We're going to be planting this GreenStalk vertical planter. We did it a couple of years ago, but we're going to show you all over again because we really enjoy it, and we've got lots of vegetables and herbs from it.
So the first step, we'll take this lower unit. This happens to be on casters, so we can move it around on the deck, which is super nice because once we're full, it does get pretty heavy. So the first step we'll do is we'll fill this with a good, we're using a black gold, kind of an all-purpose potting mix. So we filled the base unit in here. And then once it's filled, we can take, this is our watering disc. So this will sit right over the top of here, inside our holes. So each one of these holes will allow the water to kind of filter out each location. So we'll slide the disc on, and then we'll just kind of make sure that these holes line up to each little pocket. So once we have it in here, we can go ahead and mix in a little bit of fertilizer, starter fertilizer, put our plants in there, and then we'll just continue to stack on up. So let's get started and we'll see how it goes.
All right. So that was pretty easy. We added all the soil and then we planted basil, but really you can do anything that your family loves to eat, or you can enjoy flowers.
So now that we have it all assembled, we want to water it in. So this is the big water reservoir up top, and there are little numbers on the side. This is for the number of tiers that you have. So we have 4 tiers. So we're going to fill this up all the way up to the number 4. And as we're filling this, the water is going through all the little holes, going down and filling up that layer, that little disc in between each layer, and distributing the water equally. So as we're going up here, it's also going down that middle chute. Water's trickling all the way down. We can hear it going. And once we get up to the number 4, then we'll stop, and that water has been fully distributed throughout the whole system.
It's really a unique system, and this is just one of many that are online right now or at your favorite independent garden center. This one is called GreenStalk. So really consider something like this, a vertical tower of greenery or of vegetables and herbs right on your deck.